How can I create an object and add attributes to it? I want to create a dynamic object inside another object in Python and then add attributes to it. I tried, but this didn't work. Any ideas? Edit. I am setting the attributes from a for loop which loops through a list of values, for example. In the above example, I would get obj. to 1, obj. to 2, obj. to 3. I used the setter function because I didn't know how to do obj. name from a for loop. How would I set the attribute based on the value of p in the example above? For details on why it doesn't work, see can't set attributes on instance of object class.
You could use my ancient bunch recipe, but if you don't want to make a bunch class, a very simple one already exists in Python. All functions can have arbitrary attributes, including lambda functions. So, the following works. Whether the loss of clarity compared to the venerable bunch recipe is okay, is a style decision I will of course leave up to you.
The built-in object can be instantiated but can't have any attributes set on it. I wish it could. For this exact purpose, it doesn't have a _dict_ to hold the attributes. I generally just do this. When I can, I give the object class a more meaningful name, depending on what kind of data I'm putting in it. Some people do a different thing, where they use a subclass of dict that allows attribute access to get at the keys. D.key instead of D-key. Edit. For the addition to your question, using setter is fine. You just can't use setter on object instances.
There is types.simple namespace class in Python 3.3+. Collections.nameable, typing.nameable could be used for immutable objects. PEP 557, data classes suggests a mutable alternative. For a richer functionality, you could try its package. See an example usage. Pydantic may be worth a look too.
The mock module is basically made for that.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.